Hey guys, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, welcome back. And as you see by the title, I am cleaning my car out. For the first, no, I did do it. Well, I've been cleaning my car, but I haven't let it get this bad ever. I've only had it about 2 or 3 months. 2 or 3, I think. Yeah, I think I've only had it for like 2, coming on 2 months. But I should have cranked the car up. But then I'll probably be able to, well, it's fine. Okay, so now I got my bag. The sun is bright. And I'm gonna just show y'all me cleaning. Well, I already got all this stuff, like, I got like a lot of candy wrappers and stuff. I might cut the chrome because it's gonna get hot. Out here been doing this before my eye appointment. You know, I might just not crank the car. Okay, so we're just gonna start cleaning. Dang, I might set y'all up there so y'all can, let me see what it looks like. Dang, I look extremely tall, I look black, but
okay, let me put y'all down here so y'all can start. Look at see. I got like a lot of candy, not candy wrappers, but like a lot of wrappers and junk. So I'm gonna sit. Yeah, I'm gonna sit y'all right there. I like that. Oh, maybe I'm sitting out there, so. Dang, I didn't know I had change down there. It's a bunch of quarters. I think it's like $1. So. I don't even know what that was. I guess it's like a burrito. Or whatever it is. Maybe I'll find my name tag. They catch it probably no good. I don't know what that is. I got gum. Probably no good. I showed you all the change. Oh dang. Oh, that's the thing. I remember I got these to go on like my license plate. But hopefully y'all can see that better. Wow. I got all the change. I promise y'all I'm not like a dirty person. I just be really busy. And then I got sick. I went to the job in my car. And then I had to back me out. I've always cleaned my car out. I stuck all between there. I need to get that. I keep taking my time because people are always like walking on this road back there. Looks like I'm at the highway before that, but man, I'm done. I'm gonna have to let my feet probably get that and different stuff up. But anyway, it's a body pan. Maybe I have to pull it forward. I know what you're saying. Give me back to you. Oh yeah, let me turn around so y'all can see mine. The back's messy. Here's my backpack. I just set that right there because I just got out of school. Where can I set y'all up? Like, let me probably set y'all how I set y'all like right here. I'm gonna get my sketchbook out of here. What's this? I need to put them other decorations in my car. I had got, yeah, these pocket things to stop stuff from falling like in there. Well, you know, up in here. Ouch. Yeah, my car, the back one isn't too junky. Nobody really sits in the back. gonna go wash it. I'm gonna vacuum it out after I get everything out of here. Yeah. The money really sits in the back of my car. I don't know if I can throw this away or not, my old thing. I need a car wash bad. I need to vacuum. Get it vacuumed out and everything. I should go get it detailed. It's not that dirty to get it deep enough to get it detailed. But I'm gonna just leave these back here and I'll put them in probably at the car wash. But yeah, I really let me turn around.
Like, now this is what I was like talking about, like crumbs and stuff in the seat and stuff. That's my jacket and my mask. I didn't put this mask back in the thing. Now that's the main problem. So I'm gonna show y'all me cleaning this out. Let me get back in the front seat.
Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all me cleaning out this little part. Let me set it up. Let me just set it back on this car now. A lot of receipts mainly and stuff. I do have some fun salads. A lot of napkins and stuff. I don't know why I got soap in here. My bobby pin, I was looking for them. Fiji, perfume. I don't know how I got it soft. I'm just gonna throw that away. I think this is this coupon probably expired. Look at my top for that. Got so much receipts and stuff. What is this? What is this? I don't know. Hand sanitizer. I don't think nothing left in this one. Here's all this other thing. I'm gonna get some more because my stuff is oh, car charger in here too. Oh, in here too. Now this, I got a lot of trash up in there. A lot. But I'm gonna get that cleaned out. Well, I cleaned it. I know it's like a lot of trash, but when you're a college student and you gotta work a lot, you just don't constantly throwing stuff up in your it better not rain today. You're constantly just throwing stuff up in your things. I'm gonna just take what am I doing? Yeah, my wallet. I'm gonna just throw all these things in my wallet. What's that like? Dang. Like $1.75 down there, I think. I guess I'll put them in too. I just can't be over to get some birds. I think I'm gonna put these time tablet back in here. And my lotion because you can't be walking around with ashy ankles. This soap is definitely going in the house. I'm gonna keep some dolly pins here too because you never know when you can fix your hair real quick. This all my pins right here.
I'll leave one pen in there. Put one in my wallet. It's really. Put the other one back in my backpack. They actually got a thumbnail. She took a before and after picture. I'm gonna just look. Okay, so I'll see y'all when we get to the car wash. this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, because we're on the road to 2K. I'm still happy about that, because like I said, when I first started, I only had like 3 subscribers, 3 or 7, but yeah, just keep watching my videos, sharing them, and liking them, and I'm gonna continue to drop lots and lots of videos. But bye.